Dear students, you are welcome to your favorite channel, Online Exam Center. This video is for the students who are studying in class 10th and they are from Tamil Nadu. This is notification regarding NTSC form. The NTSC form is released for Tamil Nadu also, and now you can fill up the form, and form will be filled with the help of school. The complete procedure will be completed with the help of school. Okay, so you will have to consult your school teacher, and from here I will put the link in description. You can click there and come to this particular site, Directorate Government of Examinations, and here you can see these are the notifications, and this is NTSC December 2020 notification. So we will first come to this one, thereafter we will come to the application form. Here is the form. From here you can download the form, take the print out of the form, and you will fill that particular form, and you will attach some necessary documents for which with the help of that you are going to get some other relaxation like state quota or something like that. So for that you will have to submit your certificate along with this particular form, and that should be self-attested. Okay, so you will have to pay the fee of 50 rupees per candidate. So here is the application form. You can see this is the form, and here is the passport size photo you will have to paste, and these are some code, state code, center code. You have not to write center code, that will be written by the state government, and state code will be provided by here are some state code, and if you are from Tamil Nadu you will put it 45 here. Okay, so in this way you will have to write the name, and one thing you have to make cross marks. Okay, cross marks on this particular make only cross one of the appropriate box, whichever box you supposed to be appropriate in this particular condition 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 21. So here you will have to make the cross marks. Suppose you are from government school, so you will make government here cross. Okay, so in this way you have to fill up the form. You can download this and you can read the instruction also. And now come to the notice. Okay, here is the notice. Last date to fill up the form is 30. Okay, and this examination will be held in on 27/12. I mean to say 27 December will be the day of exam, and in most of the state the exam date is 30th of December, but in Tamil Nadu it will be on 27th of December of 2020. Okay, scholarship amount and rest of the information are given in my other video. You can watch them, and link is also given in description. You can see the pattern of paper will be in this format. One set will be of mental ability test, another will be of scholastic aptitude test. Both of this paper will be held on same particular day, but at different times, and marks will be allotted as 100 marks, and 100 for 100 questions, and time will be given 120 minutes for each, and 30 minutes extra for visual challenge persons. Okay, and the this mean time here will be given as a break time for half hour. Okay, so qualifying marks are also given for general OBC EWS candidate. 40% marks in each paper is necessary. Okay, answer sheet will be available to students, and you will be given an OMR sheet. You will have to mark the bubbles there. So you will have to use black ballpoint pen. Okay, so you take your black ballpoint with pen with you in the exam also, and for the first level 466 candidate will be selected. Okay, fees the candidate should pay fee of 50 rupees only in cash. Here you will have to pay the fee in cash only, and rest of the information is available here. You will have to fill up the form from 21st of November to 30th of November. This is the duration in which you can fill up the form with the help of school, and the complete form will be submitted to the headmaster, and thereafter it will be submitted to the other places by the help of institution, and other here it is given to the assistant directorate office. It will be submitted to them. Okay, after completion of online submission of particulars in the applications, the headmaster and head of institutions should submit the summary report to the assistant directorate office. Okay, so here is the process. Downloading the blank application form is available from 21 to 30, and last date for the receipt of the filled in the application form with the fees form from the student is 30th of November, and uploading of candidate detail through online by the headmaster, it should start from 25th of November to 4th of December. Okay, so this is the complete procedure. If you are not aware of this, just go through this notification for once and just follow the process, fill up the form, practice very well. Time is not too much, and you can avail this scholarship. You can help your parents, you can help your family, and you can also help yourself. And this is the chance, and this chance comes for only once. So I request everyone, those students who are in class 10th, they must fill up this form. It's the 50 rupees cost is not too much, and center will be given in your local district, in your local area, in any particular school. So you will not have to go very far for this particular exam at stage 1, and it may be that for stage 2 you will have to go to somewhere far center, but that will be in your state. Okay, so best of luck for this, and I have made some videos regarding this, and you can download the sample papers that are available on my channel, and links is also given in description. Just go through the description link, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to share this video with other students, so it will be good for you when all of your classmates will fill up the form together. Thank you so much for watching this video.